How real means Hande Soral. Date of birth February 22, 1987. Present age she is currently 38 years old. She was born in Istanbul, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. Years active 2018 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. How real means Sila Turkoglu. Date of birth April 18, 1999. Present age she is currently 24 years old. She was born in Bornova, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actor by profession. Years active 2016 to present. Her height is 5 feet 7 inches tall. How real means Yagmur Yuksel. Date of birth January 21, 2002. Present age she is currently 22 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. Years active 2021 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Aquarius.